I'm giving away my personal phone number. Just listen up. I've been doing e-commerce since 2016 and have done multi-million dollars worth of profit and sales and all that good stuff, right? In celebration of the 8 years that I've been doing e-commerce, I'm giving away my personal phone number. Now, yes, this is my real phone number. I'm not going to be able to get back to everybody, okay? I will be responding to a lot of you. And why am I doing that? Because I want to help as many people as I can. I'm all about giving back. If you've been following me for a long time, we donate a lot of money to Make-A-Wish Foundation, do a lot of volunteer work, all that fun stuff. I want to even give back more, so I'm giving away my phone number. Go ahead and text me if you're interested in getting me and my team's help on how to get your goals, build an e-commerce business if that's what you want to do, and let's chat. I want to be able to help as many of you. Go ahead and text me 619-832-0444. Let's go!